lasers on trucks, missiles that can fly across continents, and a nuclear arsenal shown to the world for the very first time. This isn't science fiction. This is China's 2025 military parade, and it might be the most powerful show of force we've ever seen. On September 3rd, Beijing staged a massive spectacle, over 12,000 troops, cutting-edge weapons, and more than 25 world leaders watching from the front row. But behind the parades and pageantry lies a message, one aimed squarely at the world. For the first time, China unveiled its complete nuclear triad. We're talking land-based ICBMs, submarine-launched missiles, and even air-launched nukes carried by bombers. The star? The brand-new DF-61 intercontinental missile capable of reaching nearly anywhere on Earth. But it didn't stop there. Audiences gasped at the YJ-17 hypersonic missile designed to outmaneuver defenses at blistering speeds. Then came swarms of autonomous drones, even an underwater submarine drone called the AJX-002. And yes, that glowing truck you see, that's the LY-1 laser weapon, built to fry electronics or blind sensors at the speed of light. Alongside the machines, China introduced new military branches, the Cyberspace Unit and Information Support Force, proving the battlefield is no longer just land, sea, and air, but digital too. Xi Jinping declared China's rejuvenation unstoppable, with allies like Putin and Kim Jong-un at his side. Western observers, some call it a wake-up call, others pure spectacle. But one thing is clear, the 2025 military parade wasn't just a show, it was a statement. So, was this the dawn of a new military era, or just China flexing its muscles? That's for the world to decide. If you want to stay ahead of the tech curve, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and join me for more crazy tech stories.